節の系譜光の食べエンジン始動グローバルオート NA ゴジラの進化精密な衝動
Alright guys, I'm now at Global Auto. I saw this place online saying they have a lot of GT-Rs and it's not kidding. Lots of GT-Rs. Lots of customer cars being done. And I think a lot of cars basically waiting for delivery. So let's go check them out. Man, this one's beautiful. R34 in Midnight Purple. Look at the condition that is in. Once again, it's like a new car. Yeah, the gentleman was very nice, explained to me about the shop, and let me film the place. R32, V-Spec II in Bayside Blue. Wow. I always wonder how much work is it to actually restore back into this condition? Another V-Spec II in white. So I haven't seen this many R34 in one spot before, I don't think. Man. 33. I actually like the 33 myself too. R35. There's definitely lots of goodies here. So I was asking, are they all for sale? Some of them are actually sold. All the ones in the middle are sold, waiting for delivery. Some of them on the outside are available for sale. Wow, this one's in great condition. S-Tune concept engine, Spec-I. Beautiful interior. That's the craziest thing, is the interiors. Okay, they got like a new Nismo instrument cluster waiting to be put in. So these are probably from the restoration program. HKS intakes. This guy's being restored right in the middle of their yard. An R34 Skyline GT-R with a body kit. Midnight Purple R33. I've seen a car like this in Canada before. I like the exhaust. I should have actually asked about it because it was actually being sold for a very good price. Amazing condition interior. Man, I gotta learn how to clean interiors like these guys. Global Auto. What's this one? Lancer Evolution. That can't have only GT-Rs. You gotta have something else too. Beautiful condition inside. And here you sport a pair of R35s. This one, extremely aggressive looking. You look at this rear diffuser. And this color really stands out too. With the graphics on it. That traces, that outlines a car. It's almost like giving car speed even when it's not moving. And here you have a very clean looking white R35. Also with a giant rear diffuser. Man, if Toronto doesn't snow, I might get one myself. Unfortunately, it snows and I drive mine in the winter. Let's see. Very nice front lip. Look at this guy. Man. Look at the side mirror. How do you do this? I guess it's got to be a custom cover of some sort. Wow. Amazing. Ah, this is Autech R33. Oh yeah. I've seen one of these in front of a Mori factory without knowing it was an Autech. Now I know. 40th anniversary. Beautiful looking. Then here you have a very beautiful white R32. I wish mine was this beautiful. Maybe it would be after all the restoration. But right now is nowhere close to this condition. Another R34. There's no short of R34 GT-Rs here. You see, everything's like all covered, ready to be delivered. Like in new condition. Wow. So you say you can't find a GT-R, you just come to this place. You have lots of choices here. V-Spec II R34. Oh, I love these BBS wheels. Oh yeah. See, even this front lip looks good on the R35. Maybe I do have to invest a bit on the R35 myself. But then the parts are pretty expensive for R35 for some reason. Another R33. Love the folk racing gold wheels. Recaro bucket seat on the driver's side. I think that's a Momo Race steering wheel. Beautiful. This purple is definitely growing on me. Purple with white wheels stands out. And then a pair of R32s in silver. One with the rear wiper, the other has it deleted. So I think I'm gonna get mine deleted too. Although it is convenience, it's just, it's not my thing, having a wiper at the back for a sports car. And here's a beautiful looking black one. Oh, I love these wheels, RGD2. I was gonna get these. Okay, I've never seen these in real life. I've only seen pictures of it. What do you guys think? Should I get this for the R32? Maybe more fitting for the 8.6. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze through very carefully. And here with a blue NSX, NA2. What? So this is waiting for inspection, but it's finished. My God. Look at this guy. See, what's crazy is, can you guess how much all these cars are worth right here? Look, we're looking at. Like millions, we're talking about. All just sitting in this yard. Subaru. Oh, can't get back to, can't stop looking at the NSX. Although I personally like it red or yellow. Blue does look pretty nice too. An 8.6. Oh, okay, this one has wide body treatment done to it. Definitely wide body. It's got the flip up steering wheel thing. And the back seat's got it out, so this guy's a race build. And then you have an S14. Wow, okay. I don't know how you would move the cars out though. Look at this Spec-I Blue GT-R. Simply amazing. And everyone's so nice here too. And there's some at the shop over there. All right, there you have it. Global Auto in Osaka. If you're looking for a GT-R, you gotta come here.